Hey guys, how's it going? It's been a while since you see me on YouTube. So this video is going to be super different than all my other videos. It's going to be a car type video. It's about like a cosmetic type modification to my car, which is a minor little mod, which some people do to their like this model or whatever models. Is I'm gonna switch these knobs in my Mazda free 2008 sedan. It's not a Mazda speed free, so I'm not, yeah. So this is what we're gonna be dealing with. We're gonna be taking these out, these three down here, and replacing them with these, which I think, in my opinion, is way cleaner look than like these twists and pinch and twist. Alright, so what you want to do is get pliers, a face cloth, or any type of towel, a microfiber cloth or whatever. Pinch and try and get it out. You can use needle noses or yeah, whatever can. Come on. It's not working out for me. This out, I switched the pliers to these ones where you can adjust like the sizing of it, and you get like way better grip. So definitely recommend these ones out of the, where is it? These ones. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to align this part, like you see like these two notches right here, along with these right here. There are some notches here too, sticking out on the side, and yeah, let's try it out. Pop it in. Oh, it works really good. Damn, I really like it. Looks clean. It feels nice, and it's way better than pinching and that. I'd rather have like a dial. Alright, let's grab this one. Shoot, I'm using the wrong ones. Well, no wonder I'm having troubles already. There we go. It was like super easy. And let's see. Come on, you little fucker. Ooh, looks nice. We're getting there. And then, boom. This is the end results. Looks way cleaner, and I love it. I wanna see what it looks like at nighttime when the car is on and the lights are lit on like the interior for like night mode. Let's see if we can do it now. It's gonna be super hard to see. Let's see. How do I activate it? Alright, there we are. I really like how they added this to like the dial to where it's very similar to this one. So blurred out. There we go. To where like it just lights like on this part, but it actually lights all around the dial itself. And yeah, what is having this rear view mirror. It's just an attachment to your old mirror right there. You don't have to like swap, you just clip it on and yeah, you get the super wide view. I might want to add like a sticker. I don't know. And another mod here. I don't know if I should naming these mods more like personalizing your own car. But anyways, if you see right here, there's like a film right here all around. That's to like repel water and fog and snow, dust, all that shit. Then, what other? Ooh, a good investment is to have a dash cam, but there's also a backup cam and / rear cam as well. That's so reflective on this phone. But this is what it looks like. It's really high quality. It's 4K, I assume, or 1080p HD. But yeah, my friend Jacob helped me install it in this car. Me and my friend Jacob are gonna install the car radio right here that has a touchscreen and Apple CarPlay. So this whole part right here, this section, is gonna be removed and we're gonna hook it up here. I got the bezel already ordered and a cord, and the next thing I'll have to order is the expensive part, the car stereo. Oh god. So the idea is we're gonna try and get as much feature of this Pioneer car stereo as much as we can. So we're gonna hook my steering wheel to it so I can control the volume. And yeah, tracks, silent, different modes, and what else? The backup cam. This is where we have it installed, but I'm thinking that we could put it on the exterior of the car at the back because it's waterproof, and sometimes my back window gets super like dusty. I don't clean it sometimes, or foggy and snowy and all that shit. So yeah, what else? We're gonna hook up the aux cord to it. Alright, so this is what it looks like at night. It's dark outside. Yo, I really like it. Wow. It's pretty chilly out. 7 degrees Celsius, which is cold for me. I need to go get a sweater. But anyways, I hope you liked the video. I'm gonna end it here. And yeah, I don't think I've shown the car, like the exterior part. It's kind of hard to see, but it's a factory red color. It's really close to the garbage cans.